Hello everyone, my name is Julien and welcome to Learn Haitian Creole. In this video, you are going to learn the personal pronouns and how to conjugate a verb in the present tenses. Eh bien mes amis, à nous commencer. The personal pronouns are some little words that are used to substitute a name or a noun phrase in a sentence. Example, John gave the bag to Mike. In this example, John is the subject, the bag is the direct object, and Mike the indirect object. Now, let's substitute the subject, the direct and indirect objects by personal pronouns. We now have, he gave it to him. They are also used to avoid repetition. Example, I was talking to my mom asked me to visit my mom. To avoid the repetition, as you can probably see, my mom, we can just use personal pronouns. Example, I was talking to my mom, she asked me to visit her. In Haitian Creole, the personal pronouns have the same function, and they are moi, ou, li, monsieur, manze, nous, yo. Moi, ou, li, monsieur, manze, nous, yo. Moi, I, me, to me. Ou, you, to you. Li, he, she, it, him, her, to him. Monsieur, he, him, to him. Manze, she, her, to her. Nous, we, us, to us. Nous, you, to you. Yo, they, them, to them. Each of them also has a contracted form, which is m for moi, ou for ou, l for li, n for nous, and y for you. M, ou, l, n, y. M, ou, l, n, y. In Haitian Creole, as you have probably noticed, pronouns do not decline according to their functions in a sentence. That means moi remains moi even if it is the subject or the object of the sentence. There is no omission of subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. Let's take a close look on how to conjugate a verb in the present tenses. There are two present tenses in Haitian Creole: the present simple and the present progressive. To conjugate a verb in the present simple, just take the subject and the verb you wish to conjugate. That means there are no irregular verbs. Let's take four verbs which are parler, to speak, ouais, to see, comprendre, to understand, and apprendre, to learn. Their conjugations in the present simple are parler, to speak, moi parler, ou parler, li parler, nous parler, yo parler. Moi parler, ou parler, li parler, nous parler, yo parler. Moi parler, I speak, ou parler, you speak, li parler, he, she, it speaks, nous parler, we speak, nous parler, you speak, yo parler, they speak. Ouais, to see, moi, ouais, li ouais, nous ouais, yo ouais. Moi, ouais, li ouais, nous ouais, yo ouais. Moi, I see, ouais, you see, li ouais, he, she, it sees, nous ouais, we see, nous ouais, you see, you ouais, they see. Comprendre, to understand. Moi comprendre, ou comprendre, li comprendre, nous comprendre, yo comprendre. Moi comprendre, ou comprendre, li comprendre, nous comprendre, yo comprendre. Moi comprendre, I understand, ou comprendre, you understand, li comprendre, he, she, it understands, nous comprendre, we understand, nous comprendre, you understand, yo comprend, they understand. Apprendre, to learn. M'apprendre, ou apprendre, l'apprendre, n'apprendre, n'apprendre, y'apprendre. M'apprendre, ou apprendre, l'apprendre, n'apprendre, n'apprendre, y'apprendre. M'apprendre, I learn. Ou apprendre, you learn. L'apprendre, he, she, it learns. N'apprendre, we learn. N'apprendre, you learn. Y'apprendre, they learn. That's how to conjugate any other verbs in their simple present. Example, moi relé John. Moi relé John. My name is John. Moi besoin. Moi besoin. I need you. Moi remel en pile. Moi remel en pile. I love her so much. Li touche. Li touche. He touches me. To conjugate a verb in the present progressive, we use the particle ap between the pronoun and the verb. Let's take 4 other verbs which are jouer, to play, manger, to eat, lire, to read, and danser, to dance. Their conjugations in the present progressive are jouer, to play, map jouer, wap jouer, lap jouer, nap jouer, nap jouer, yap jouer. Map jouer, wap jouer, lap jouer, nap jouer, nap jouer, yap jouer. Map jouer, I am playing. Wap jouer, you're playing. Lap jouer, he, she, it is playing. Nap jouer, we're playing. Nap jouer, you playing. Yap jouer, they're playing. Manger, to eat. Moi ap manger, ou ap manger. Li ap manger, nou ap manger, nou ap manger, yo ap manger. Moi ap manger, ou ap manger, li ap manger, nou ap manger, nou ap manger, yo ap manger. Moi ap manger, I am eating, ou ap manger, you are eating, li ap manger, he, she, it is eating, nou ap manger, we are eating, nou ap manger, you are eating, yo ap manger, they are eating. Li, to read, map li, ou ap li ap li, nap li, yap li. Map li, ou ap li ap li, nap li, yap li. Map li, I am reading, ou ap li, you are reading, li ap li, he, she, it is reading, nap li, we are reading, nap li, you are reading, yap li, they are reading. Danser, to dance, map danser, wap danser, lap danser, nap danser, yap danser. Map danser, wap danser, lap danser, nap danser, yap danser. Map danser, I am dancing, wap danser, you are dancing, lap danser, he, she, it is dancing, nap danser, we are dancing, nap danser, you are dancing, yap danser, they are dancing. Example, map jouer football. Map jouer football. I am playing soccer. Map danser compas. Map danser compas. I am dancing compas. Lap baigner. Lap baigner. He is taking a bath. Yap parler. Yap parler. They are talking. Map relé pita. Map relé pita. I'm calling you later. Lap lil pou. Lap lil pou. He's reading it for you. Map écril pou. I'm writing it for you. Yap manger pain. Yap manger pain. They are eating bread. Wap apprendre créole haïtien. Wap apprendre créole haïtien. You learning Haitian Creole. Map apprendre anglais. Map apprendre anglais. I am learning English. In Haitian Creole, there are a lot of homographs which can confuse you. The verb to read is li. Li can also mean he, she, it, to him, to her. A sentence like he reads it for her in Haitian Creole is li pou li. Now, let's see how to use the two tenses. We use the present simple to talk about general truths or generalizations, just like in English. Example, chat remet let. Chat remet let. Cats like milk. Fenêtre faite avec glace. Fenêtre faite avec glace. Windows are made of glass. Haiti c'est yon presqu'île. Haiti c'est yon presqu'île. Haiti is a peninsula. Oiseaux pa remet let. Oiseaux pa remet let. Birds do not like milk. Also use it to describe something that happened in the past, but the exact time it happened is not important. It has a relationship with the present, so it is the equivalent of the English past perfect. Example, m'fel déjà. M'fel déjà. I have already done it. M'bliye valise moyen l'école là. M'bliye valise moyen l'école là. I have forgotten my bag in the school. M'fè kwe fwe la nan bank lan. M'fè kwe fwe la nan bank lan. I have just seen your brother in the bank. Ou finira pour la déjà? Ou finira pour la déjà? Have you finished your report yet? Qui l'a fait? Qui l'a fait? When were you born? Mwen fèt 12 avril 1915. Mwen fèt 12 avril 1915. I was born on the 12th of April 1915. The simple present is also used to express the idea that an action is repeated or usual, mostly with the adverb con. Con can also be used as a verb. In that case, it is the short form of connaître, which is to know in English. Example, m'kon parler anglais. M'kon parler anglais or m'parler anglais. M'parler anglais. I speak English. Li pa kon jouer basket. Li pa kon jouer basket. He doesn't play basketball. He doesn't play basketball. Li kon jouer guitar. Li kon jouer guitar. Li kon jouer guitar. He plays the guitar. Treyan kon ale chaque matin à 8 heures. Treyan kon ale chaque matin à 8 heures. The train leaves every morning at 8. Bisla kon vini chaque jour à midi. Bisla kon vini chaque jour à midi. The bus comes every day at 12. Ki lè gran vacances kon komanse? Ki lè gran vacances kon komanse? When do the summer holidays start? Li toujou bliye bous li. Li toujou bliye bous li. She always forgets her purse. Li pa jam bliye bous li. Li pa jam bliye bous li. He never forgets her wallet. Teya fè won soleil la chaque 12 mois. Teya fè won soleil la chaque 12 mois. Every 12 months, the earth circles the sun. In Haitian Creole, the present progressive is used to talk about a continuous action or an action which is being done. Example, map manger pain. Map manger pain. I am eating bread. Wap apprendre Creole Haitien. Wap apprendre Creole Haitien. You learning Haitian Creole. You learning Haitian Creole. Wap gade leçon an. Wap gade leçon an. You watching the lesson. You watching the lesson. Map enseyo Creole Haitien. Map enseyo Creole Haitien. I am teaching you Haitian Creole. Scheduled events in the near future where in English the simple present is normally used. Example, Bisla ap pati demain à 9h nan matin. Bisla ap pati demain à 9h nan matin. Bisla ap pati demain à 9h nan matin. The bus leaves tomorrow at 9 a.m. Avion pa privé à 9h, la privé à midi. Avion pa privé à 9h, la privé à midi. The plane doesn't arrive at 9, it arrives at 12. Fête la ap commencé à 8h boule. Fête la ap commencé à 8h boule. The party starts at 8 o'clock. The party starts at 8 o'clock. Ki lè koua ap commencé demain? Ki lè koua ap commencé demain? When does the class start tomorrow? When does the class start tomorrow? It is also used where in English the present perfect continuous is normally used. Example, depuis ki lè wap viv isit la. Depuis ki lè wap viv isit la. How long have you been living here? Ma viv isit la depi mwa pase ya. Ma viv isit la depi mwa pase ya. I've been living here since last month. I've been living here since last month. Ça fait 4 l'année depuis m'a apprendre allemand. Ça fait 4 l'année depuis m'a apprendre allemand. Ça fait 4 l'année depuis m'a apprendre allemand. I've been learning German for 4 years. Alright guys, that's all you had to learn in this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done that. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Merci parce que te gadil. Bye bye, nap croise dans yon lot leçon.